Insert the nozzle into the round balloon. Inflate the round balloon to about 5 fingers wide. Tie the knots as close to the nozzle as possible. Shape it into a gourd shape. Make a double ear twist. Wrap the balloon around the round balloon to measure the length. Pinch the nozzle inside the balloon and give it to twists. Use a piece of scrap balloon to wrap around twice and tie a knot. Place the round balloon inside the loop we just made. Wrap the nozzle around the double pinch twist. Squeeze to form the shape of the hat. Wrap the leftover balloon from the bottom of the round balloon around the double ear, twisted to secure it. Draw some little snowflakes, and the Christmas hat is done.